Hi, this is architect Nancy Mary, and today I'll be talking about one of our recently completed projects, House of Earthy Hues. This 2,500 square feet house in a plot area of 7.25 cents is located in a calm suburban area of Kochi in Kerala. The brief given by the client was to design a simple, budget friendly 4-bedroom residence. Located in an east-west axis with a vast paddy field on the east side, we actually realized the possibilities of using this adjoining green area as a major element in the design and planning. The design also emphasizes on an open planning with free-flowing spaces and internal connectivity. The house has been designed with 2 bedrooms, a spacious living, dining area with an internal courtyard, a pantry space and kitchen in the ground floor, and two other bedrooms, including master bedroom with a private balcony and a family living space with an extended spacious deck area in the first floor. A combination of exposed brick, concrete, and metal has been used to give the facade a tropical modern look. An open planning concept is followed in the interiors with minimum walls in common areas and by providing large openings. A large sit-out with the highlighted brick wall, water body, and wooden bench acts as a welcoming space to the interior. A formal living space with double height is planned with the wooden ceiling, and the dining area is designed as a segregated space with exposed concrete ceiling. The pantry space between dining and kitchen acts as an extended transition zone with a separate wash area, over which the glass floor is provided, increases the connectivity between ground floor and first floor. The first floor family living is the major gathering space of the house, with an extended balcony opening to the paddy field. The openness of this area is increased with sliding doors and the continued wooden flooring, which makes the whole space act as one. Although the site had its own linear footprint and limitations, the movement pattern of the house starts and ends with open spaces in all directions. An attempt in breaking the closeness vertically was successful as the spaces feel connected from all levels. The glass floor provided at the family living, cutouts, and double heights increases the vertical connection between the floors. All the bedrooms are planned very minimally. The master bedroom in the first floor is designed as a separate space on the floor with a private balcony. This is designed with inbuilt seating spaces for extended conversations. Bringing in the strong wind from rear side was given utmost importance while designing this house. So, perforated shutters were used in the balcony, which permits the air passage even at night, which also solves any safety issues. Terracotta screens are used in the interior walls, which helps the air movement through all open spaces. As the name refers, House of Earthy Hues adapts the color palette from what is around the house. The boldness of brown balances the subtleness of grey and complements the indoor and outdoor green in the most natural way. Along with that, a combination of earthy tones with bamboo and wood has given the interiors a cozy and homely feel. Wood and vitrified tiles are used for the flooring. All the furnitures were custom designed by us as per the client's request. Locally sourcing all the building materials helped in completing the projects in a budget friendly way. Being in a linear restricted site, indoor and outdoor landscaping has a vital role in giving the house a whole tropical and homely feel. So, commonly seen tropical plants of Kerala are used for all the landscaping. Spaces created with utmost details and delicacy to take in the desirable weather and making each corner a usable and enjoyable space resulted in a happy family time in the house. Who can be more satisfied than with a cup of coffee at the deck, with a whole wide view of the green, along with birds finding home at the desk? If you have any inquiries, please drop a message in the comment box below. We would be happy to respond as much as we can.